Calibrating your performance in Apex Legends can help enhance your gaming experience and improve your gameplay. Follow these simple steps to optimize your settings for better performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Apex Legends. This includes checking your CPU, GPU, RAM, and storage space to make sure your hardware can handle the game. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower graphics settings such as resolution, texture quality, and shadow detail to improve frame rates. Consider using the auto setting for the render scale to balance performance and visual quality. Step 3. Update drivers. Make sure your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, which can significantly improve game performance. Step 4. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Disable background applications, set your power plan to high performance, and ensure that game mode is enabled to prioritize resources for gaming. Step 5. Monitor performance. Use in-game performance metrics or third-party software to monitor your frame rates and system performance. This will help you identify any further adjustments needed to maintain a smooth gaming experience. By following these steps, you can effectively calibrate your Apex Legends performance for a better gaming experience. Enjoy your time in the game.